how to fix Facebook lag on Android. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop. Click OK again, and what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to permissions option, and you have to go to files and media, allow access to media only, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.